Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gumroad, only ways. Sign up and verify your email, then add a new product with a catchy title and clear description. Upload your files, choose delivery options, and set pricing or pay what you want. Configure payout details and tax settings, and add a license if necessary. Preview the checkout flow on desktop and mobile, then publish when you feel ready to sell. Start by focusing on clarity and value when setting up your product page. Use a brief benefit-driven description, a strong cover image, and a short demo to build trust. Add tags, categories, and a clear refund policy so buyers know what to expect. Consider offering a free sample or tiered pricing to capture more customers. Test the checkout experience yourself to ensure files deliver correctly, and plan a coordinated launch across email, social, and niche communities to build momentum quickly. Offer a limited discount or bundle to encourage early purchases and gather testimonials. Use simple tracking links and monitor conversion rates, then tweak pricing or messaging based on what converts. Collect feedback from initial buyers to refine the product and checkout process, and keep communicating updates to your audience to maintain trust and retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.